And that old mate is none other than the great Andy Tiernan, bike dealer extraordinaire.
This is where he lives. Now, Andy has probably got one of the finest collections for sale of old British motorcycles. So you got to have a cup of tea. All right, Andy? Hey, look, forgive me, but I had to pop in here. How are you, mate?
Well, Henry, it's good to see you again.
Good to see you, man. Hey, look, I'm in Framlingham, obviously, so I thought, well, I've got to pop in and see my mate,
I would
Andy.
expect you to drop in, wouldn't I? Yes.
I just want to go in there, man, and smell the shop.
Yeah.
I remember every time I come here, it just smells of old British motorcycles. I could live here, Andy. Hey, look, are you ever going to sell me that BSA sign up there? Come on.
You can work on it.
Can I offer you 300 quid for it?
You could offer me 300 quid. I could be derogatory.
Seriously though, mate, how is business?
It's good.
Is it?
It's good. You think about it. How many people would normally fly off to Timbuktu for a holiday? They can't. So what are they doing? Spending money on toys.
And if your idea of the perfect toy is a vintage British bike, look no further. Inside Andy's shed there's a fantastic set of homegrown classics. Some have already been snapped up, like this Scott that mechanic Pete is preparing for collection.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, what a beautiful thing. How old's that?
He's going to cheat now.
Yeah, have a look, cheat.
It's 1957.
Yeah, good 1957.
Yeah.
There you go. Peter
Yeah.
knows that, obviously. Right, so we're going to start it.
It does have a kickstart, but wisely Pete has put it on the rolling road.
Right, Peter, come on then, let's see if it goes. Straight away! Oh, that's music, isn't it? Oh, mate, that sounds sweet.
Oh, good.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Other British beauties include Brough copies, 1930s Panthers and Triumph Bonnevilles.
I've always been fascinated to know, right, if you have a bike shop like this, do you actually go out riding, and if so, what do you ride on?
What do I go riding? Usually Ireland or Europe. Not in the UK much. The B33, that's my favourite old bike.
Oh, is that the one? You haven't been out for a while, though, judging by the amount of bikes in front of it,
No.
though, Andy, have you?
No.
No, not
It
really.
broke down in Trieste last time. The mag got weak and I had to push it.
Oh, mate. I mean,
That's
even
good.
Alan Milliard broke down the other day. You
Oh,
wouldn't
dear.
believe that. He had to push his bike
Not
a mile
that
and a
monster
half.
thing, was it?
No, it was a pan-European.
Yeah.
Yeah, Honda, weirdly, but it has done 130,000 miles, and Milliard has been known to off-road it. So what do you expect? Do you know what I mean? Hey, look, always on with Andy. Look, I'm going to finish my tea, have a little perusal around, and then I'm going to head on to Stowmarket.